Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video where basically this one will be all about the company and how everything works within AR marketing. So probably best to watch this before you invest, just so you know what's going on. So basically an overview, as I've talked before, AR marketing is an affiliate marketing program where you invest money, they use it as advertising budget, and then you get a certain amount of cash back from each sale that you create from your advertisements. So basically this is just a small account, as you can see. I'm just going to go through maybe a few of these just to show you how it works, what it looks like, and then we can go through maybe even the setup of it later on. So basically, as you can see, advertising goes out to a bunch of different stores. They do have the list of stores on one their other part of their website, which I will get to later. As you can see, you get a cashback rate for each different purchase, a cashback amount, and then what happens is that cashback amount is not given to you until a certain amount of days as it's pending. So for each sale, obviously that company might not get the money straight away, or when they do, AI marketing group won't get that money straight away. Each sale, each product has a different time and a wait time, so you can see this is sort of just on this page alone, anywhere from 3 weeks to 4, 5 weeks, 6 weeks even. Some can go up to, I've seen 9 weeks even, but they all vary. So on average, you'll hear people say you're not going to get any money back, real money, cash, within the first 30 days. In this case, for example, within 19 days, this $7.42 that I received, that will go from pending into my cash back after the 19 days. So what is it? It's the first today, and it was purchased 2 days ago. Right, so let's say your cash back, my cash back is over $0 in this account, for example, after that 19 days. As you can see, the first purchase was on the 25th, so we're not going to get any cash back for another couple of weeks. What will happen is that cash back amount increases, and then you can either head to top up, and there will be a thing here saying cash back. You'll click that method and then type in how much you want, and what that will do is top up your advertising budget. So basically you're reinvesting it. The other option is you can click transfer, which is actually withdraw. As you see here, the $50 is not a free $50 when you first sign up. So of this, $50 of it is the gift certificate, 125 US dollars of it is my money. What happens is the gift certificate does make sales, and as you can see here, it's been doing it the whole time. I've only recently put this 125 in within the last day or two. I don't think it's actually contributed to any of the sales. So as you can see, the $50 has made all these sales. It did end up with about, so you can see it's spent $5 over that 50. So 5 of it has been put towards the amount spent. So I'll see those sales probably tomorrow. So you can see that the 50 actually did give a cashback of $83. So even with that $50 that I did not put in, I'm getting a profit of $33. Yes, I don't get to keep the free $50, which makes it more legitimate, because obviously if a company is giving out a free $50 to a million people, that's ridiculous and it's never going to work. However, you can make money with it, and obviously they're making money with it as well. So if we go back to the transfer tab, you do have to give that back once you receive 50 cash back when you want to withdraw. So obviously you don't have to do it straight away. But if I've got 100 in there, and considering some of that was contributed from the $50, you do have to pay that back before withdrawing. And then you can go ahead, type in however much you want, whatever you've got in your cashback. You'll click continue, and then your method of withdrawing will come down here. I like to use cryptocurrency, put it straight in your crypto wallet, and just like a normal transaction, depending on which crypto you're transferring to, it will go in there reasonably fast. So that's basically the overview of how it all works. If I go into the Telegram chat, you can actually look up the news on the other website in terms of our marketing, which I'll get to during the setup in the next video. Or you can join this Telegram chat, which I will post later on. Actually, it's in the Discord, so we're actually creating a new Discord channel where everybody can join to chat about this. See what your returns are, see what ours are, and just go through everything. This, as you can see, has 50,000 subscribers just in this Telegram chat, so it's massive. Basically, they update us with any sort of news or honestly, whatever the company's going through, etc. Even sometimes there is maintenance, and you'll see if I scroll up, I can't see it right now, but yeah, I'm not sure. However, it is, they do say if the website's going through maintenance, it will show it on here. So they will inform us whether it's maintenance or whatever the issue is, because sometimes the website goes down and you get a little bit sketchy, but not to fear because it's okay. So yeah, you can honestly scroll back up, right to October last year when it was created, which shows you how new all this is and how good it is to get on this before it gets flooded. I don't think it can get too flooded, because think about how many sales are going through every year with everything, but obviously the earlier you get into it, the better. And because their new structure, their new platform has just come out within the last, say, 2 months or something, the new system, it's honestly the best time ever. So basically that's all I will be going through in this video. Please join the Discord so you can directly message us, ask us any questions, or if you know anything that you want to tell us about the our marketing software, go for it, because we're still learning, you're still learning, and hopefully we can just increase on our profits. Thanks.